Secrets behind famous world monuments MCQ quiz. Which monument was originally built as a mausoleum by Emperor Shah Jahan? Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, Humayun's tomb. And the right answer is which monument in Egypt is aligned closely with the cardinal directions? Great Pyramid of Giza, Luxor Temple, Abu Simbel, Karnak Temple. And the right answer is which monument in France was originally built as a temporary structure? Eiffel Tower, Arc de Triomphe, Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral. And the right answer is which monument in China is visible from space only as a myth? Great Wall of China, Forbidden City, Temple of Heaven, Summer Palace. And the right answer is which monument in Rome was used for gladiator battles? Pantheon, Colosseum, Roman Forum, Trevi Fountain. And the right answer is which monument in Peru was built by the Inca civilization? Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza, Angkor Wat, Petra. And the right answer is which monument in Jordan is carved into rose-colored rock? Petra, Pyramids of Giza, Stonehenge, Acropolis. And the right answer is which monument in India changes color during different times of the day? Hawa Mahal, Taj Mahal, India Gate, Lotus Temple. And the right answer is which monument in Cambodia is the largest religious structure in the world? Borobudur, Angkor Wat, Wat Pho, Shwedagon Pagoda. And the right answer is which monument in the USA was a gift from France? Statue of Liberty, Mount Rushmore, Lincoln Memorial, Golden Gate Bridge. And the right answer is which monument in Italy is famous for its unintended tilt? Colosseum, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Pantheon, St. Peter's Basilica. And the right answer is which monument in Turkey was originally a church, then a mosque, and now a museum? Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Basilica Cistern. And the right answer is which monument in England is known for its mysterious stone arrangement? Tower of London, Stonehenge, Westminster Abbey, Big Ben. And the right answer is which monument in Brazil overlooks the city of Rio de Janeiro? Sugarloaf Mountain, Christ the Redeemer, Maracanã Stadium, Copacabana Fort. And the right answer is which monument in India was built to commemorate World War I soldiers? India Gate, Gateway of India, Charminar, Victoria Memorial. And the right answer is which monument in Spain is still under construction after more than a century? Alhambra, Sagrada Familia, La Rambla, Prado Museum. And the right answer is which monument in Greece is dedicated to the goddess Athena? Parthenon, Colosseum, Pantheon, Agora. And the right answer is which monument in Egypt features a human head and lion's body? Sphinx, Pyramid, Obelisk, Temple of Ra. And the right answer is which monument in Russia is known for its colorful onion domes? Kremlin, St. Basil's Cathedral, Hermitage Museum, Winter Palace. And the right answer is which monument in Mexico was built by the Mayans? Teotihuacan, Chichen Itza, Tulum, Monte Alban. And the right answer is which monument in Australia is also known as Ayers Rock, Uluru, Sydney Opera House, Great Barrier Reef, Harbour Bridge? And the right answer is which monument in Germany once symbolized division during the Cold War? Berlin Wall, Brandenburg Gate, Reichstag, Checkpoint Charlie. And the right answer is which monument in Dubai is the tallest building in the world? Burj Al Arab, Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Frame. And the right answer is which monument in Japan survived the atomic bombing of Hiroshima? Hiroshima Peace Memorial, Himeji Castle, Tokyo Tower, Golden Pavilion. And the right answer is which monument in India was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar? Fatehpur Sikri, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Gol Gumbaz. And the right answer is